And being far away, especially in the early days, from transportation and communication, the companies had to provide everything. They imported the labor. They provided the transportation from down Seattle or San Francisco because they couldn't find enough local people to do the jobs up there. In the early days, some of the old salmon companies had beautiful sailing ships. I used to see them in Bristol Bay in the 1920s, and some of them were the Star Fleet of San Francisco, the Star of Lapland, the Star of Russia, the Star of Falkland, and so forth. Those vessels made a beautiful picture, and they performed very well. They were an economical mode of transportation. And surprisingly, they made pretty good time going to Alaska. Once in a while, they'd get blown off course. In fact, I guess it happened more than once. They were almost blown clear over to the Hawaiian Islands on sometimes. And those ships were manned by the fishermen, as were the steamers, who were the fishermen worked as sailors, but on the sailing ships, the fishermen really had a challenge. They had to furl and handle the sails and climb all over the ship. All in all, it was a way of life. It's gone now, but I'm sure a lot of people have fond memories of it.